Most kids don't struggle because they aren't smart. They struggle because words are taught in a boring way. Long lists and memorizing, but the words don't stick. But words were never meant to be boring. They were meant to tell stories and spark imagination. And that's exactly why Timo the Word Scout exists. Timo, a friendly guide who helps kids explore words through stories and adventures. He turns vocabulary into stories, cartoons, and adventures. So kids don't just memorize words, they explore them. And when words come to life, learning finally sticks.